In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Wise. If you want to move money more easily between your accounts, linking Wise to PayPal can be a very useful setup. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact process inside PayPal, and I'll also point out where to grab the bank details from your Wise account so you can enter them correctly. Start by opening PayPal and going to your home dashboard. This is the main account overview page where you can manage your balance, payments, cards, and linked bank accounts. Once you're there, look for the option that says Link a Bank and click it. On the next screen, PayPal may show a standard bank linking flow. Instead of choosing a bank from the list, select the option that says Link a US bank instead. This is the option you'll need if you want to manually enter the bank details provided by Wise. After that, you'll be taken to the section where PayPal asks for the account type. Here, make sure you choose savings. This matters because the Wise account details you're using for this setup should be entered under that account type if that's how they are presented in your Wise balance details. Now switch over to your Wise account. In Wise, find your US account details and copy the routing number and account number exactly as shown. Take your time here because even a small mistake in one digit can cause the bank link to fail. It's a good idea to double check both numbers before moving on. Once you've copied those details from Wise, go back to PayPal and paste them into the appropriate fields. Make sure the routing number goes into the routing number field and the account number goes into the account number field. Accuracy is especially important at this stage, since these numbers tell PayPal exactly which account it should connect to. When everything is filled in, click Link Your Bank to submit the request. At that point, PayPal will begin the process of linking your Wise account details to your PayPal account. And that's it. The key part of this process is choosing the manual US bank option, selecting savings, and then carefully copying the routing and account numbers from Wise into PayPal. If you run into an issue, the first thing to check is whether the numbers were entered correctly. With that done, you should be one step closer to connecting PayPal to Wise successfully.